Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install a VPN on your LG Smart TV. Let's get started. Before we dive in, if you're looking for a reliable, hassle-free VPN that just works without any complicated setups, I highly recommend NordVPN. It offers a simple subscription with incredibly fast speeds, top-tier security, and works seamlessly for streaming and browsing. Try it for 30 days using the link below. Since LG's WebOS doesn't support native VPN apps directly on the TV, we need to use one of several clever workarounds. I'll walk you through the most effective method step by step. Method 1. Smart DNS Setup. This is the fastest method if you mainly want to access geo-restricted content. First, log into your VPN provider's website and find the Smart DNS or Media Streamer section in your account settings. You may need to register your TV's IP address here. The website will provide you with special DNS server addresses. Now, on your LG TV, go to Settings is greater than Network is greater than Wi-Fi connection or wired. Click on your connected network, select Advanced Settings, then change DNS setting from automatic to manual. Enter the DNS addresses from your VPN provider, save the changes, and restart your TV. While this unblocks content quickly, it doesn't provide full encryption like a traditional VPN. Method 2. Router Installation. For complete protection of all your home devices, install the VPN directly on your router. First, check if your router supports VPNs. Many Asus Netgear and Linksys models do. Log into your router's admin panel, usually by typing 192.168 1.1 inches of browser, navigate to the VPN section, and enter the configuration details provided by your VPN service. This will protect every device connected to your Wi-Fi, including your LG TV, without any additional setup needed. Method 3. PC Connection Sharing. If you have a Windows computer, you can share its VPN connection. Connect to your VPN on the PC, then go to Settings, then Network and Internet. Tap Mobile Hotspot. Turn on the hotspot. Then go to Network Connections, right-click your VPN adapter, select Properties and tap Sharing. And check Allow other network users to connect. Select your hotspot from the drop-down menu. Finally, connect your LG TV to this new Wi-Fi network broadcast by your computer. Method 4. Streaming Device. The simplest method is using a VPN-compatible streaming device, like an Amazon Fire Stick, Android TV Box, or NVIDIA Shield. Simply install the VPN app directly on the streaming device, log in, connect to a server, and then access all your streaming apps through that device connected to your LG TV. And these are the main working method to get VPN on your LG Smart TV. If you're looking for faster speeds for streaming, a much larger server network, and advanced features like malware protection, I highly recommend checking out NordVPN. It's a more powerful service that also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try it completely risk-free. Try it for 30 days using the link below.